Hi everyone, I'm making this video to quickly give you the directions for how to do today's assignment. So as I mentioned in class earlier this week, what we're going to be working on is finishing up our vocabulary list. So when you click on today's assignment link, it will take you to this page where it says for February 23rd, one-pager vocabulary. And our learning target today is I can complete my one-pager with all my required vocabulary words, including the word, definition, and drawing. No, you cannot use an internet image. You must draw one to represent the word. Now, we started this assignment last Monday on February 13th, so you should already have words in your one-pager assignment. Today, the goal is to finish that up. There will be 5 new words to add. So it says here, remember you've been adding vocabulary to your one-pager assignment. I'm going to open up what that one-pager assignment looks like so that you can be reminded. You should already have this in Notability. So if I scroll down here, remember, this is the situation where we had all these different shapes. They could be triangles and trapezoids. And if you scroll down even further, you get to rectangles. The goal is to have one word per shape. Now, you should already have 13 words put in here in addition to the example that we already made for you. So you should actually have 14 words done. If you don't, today is your day to get caught up. So for each word, you have to have the word. So the example is transform, the definition to change from one thing to another, and a drawing to represent the word. Again, not an internet image. You can't copy and paste something from the internet here. You can certainly use the internet to give you an idea of something you could draw, but you need to draw it yourself, okay? You do not have to use these boxes or shapes in order. You can bounce around and use the shapes that make the most sense for the word that you're working with, or whatever style works for you. That's totally up to you. So again, this is where you're going to be putting all of your words. And the goal today is every single box or shape on these 3 pages is going to be filled, because there are a total of 19 words if you include the example here, and you will have 19 words when you're done with today's assignment, okay? So I'm going to back this up and go back to what we were talking about for our directions. And I think that it's going to take me there. Okay, sorry, I got to scroll down and just save something before I keep recording here. Okay, so again, you'll find the list of words down here, all 19 of them. The ones that are highlighted in yellow are the brand new words for today. So you have not done these words yet. If you're caught up, your last one would have been generate. The new words are electric charge, electric current, conductor, insulator, and resistor. To help you put those words in your one-pager, you obviously need the definitions or the meanings. Remember, linked right here is the glossary that you can use if I open it up, and you can find the words. They're in alphabetical order so that you can get the definitions that you need to complete the assignment. So we'll give it a moment to load here just so you remember what I'm talking about. Hopefully it won't take too long. Here we go. So again, here are the glossary pages. So if like electric charge is one of our words, we have to go to the E's. Here it is, electric charge, a property that causes matter to have a force when it is placed near other charged matter. That would be the definition you would use. And look, here's electric current, which is another word that you have to do. So this glossary is posted for you to be able to use so that you can complete this assignment. All right, so going back up to our directions one more time, I have a special note. This is highlighted in purple. This is for the students that were absent last Monday, February 13th, because you were most likely testing with Miss Sari, and I know that you missed the opportunity to start this assignment. So this is what I expect from those students. They are typically in my 3rd hour or my 4th hour, and you know who you are, and so do I. If you were gone last week when we were working on this, specifically when we started on Monday, February 13th, because you were testing, you need to only do the 5 highlighted yellow words, the new ones for today. I'm not going to have you go back and do the other 14 because that would be overwhelming. So I just want you to do the 5 highlighted words for today. which means on your one-pager assignment, you're not going to fill all the boxes, and that's okay. All right. But you're still expected, even if you missed last week, you are still expected to do the 5 new words for today. That is your assignment for this e-learning day. Everybody else who was here last week should already have 1 through 14 done. You would just be adding the additional 5 yellow highlighted ones at the end. When you are all done, you are supposed to submit it to Canvas. So those are the directions for today. And if you're the people that are only doing 5 words, then you're going to submit just the 5 words to Canvas. Okay? If you're confused, come to office hours today. They will be posted in the Canvas announcement. You can click on the Google link and come and ask me a question, or if you want to send me an email, you certainly can do that too. But this is your assignment for today, to complete your one-pager vocabulary and submit it to Canvas.